In this Otter review, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about Otter. Otter is a software that allows you to capture and share insights from all your meetings. So once you are taken to this page right here, this is your dashboard, essentially, and there's quite a list of features that you can utilize in creating transcripted voice notes for your meetings. So where to begin? So first of all, you have this calendar right here, and this calendar is very important because it's logging in all your meetings that you have, or the meetings that are coming up for your workspace. And you have December here, and it can do any date, of course. We have January, October, but we'll stick to December because this is where we're at. And you can refresh, you can see it's today as well. Now the point is, it's trying to find the meetings that you have coming up. So once it finds it, like imagine we had a meeting here. Now we don't have a real meeting because we're not setting up anything, this is a review purposed video, but imagine we had a meeting here. And essentially, we'd see, okay, we have a meeting coming up soon, and we need to take some notes and highlight some key information in it. You can also connect your Microsoft Calendar as well, and Google Calendar if you want to as well, just on note of that. So you want to take notes from this meeting. The meeting will occur, you do the meeting, you speak, you have the other members speak as well and give their points. And this software essentially takes down notes in textual format for you, and that's what we're trying to achieve. That's our recorders here, and you can even import other audio or video files as well. So now, how do we start this? So all these will come back later to groups and direct messages. So we'll go to folder first. You can see we've created a folder already, but we'll just go from the start. We'll go to folder, tools 2, create tools 2. So this is our workspace now, our work folder. So tools 2 right here. Now what we can do, we can hit record. Hello, this is Opulent Tools speaking. There, as you can see, this is Opulent Tools speaking. Recorded it right there for us. And that's essentially what this software is trying to do for you. Naturally, a meeting wouldn't be 5 seconds, just me saying hello. It'd be a lot longer, there'd be a lot more information to get through, but it's nice that it can do this just with a short speech. You hear that? So the transcription is a pretty decent quality, and if you actually rate it, you can send it to Otter as well and the team. So it's not perfect, I gave 4 stars, it's not perfect, but it gets the job done. Now, and it's also 8 seconds we've seen. You can highlight different sections of this audio, or just mute it all, in fact, so we don't get, constantly my voice coming out constantly as we're trying to go through. So you see, hello, this is, say we want to stay on this now. Now we can highlight this right here, and that'll be here on this side, on the takeaways section. So again, this takeaway section, if you have students or team or anybody who's listening or watching you, they can do this as well with what you said. So we have this right here. Hello, this is Opulent Tools speaking. We put in the takeaway. You can comment upon it. Nice. Again, all the students, other participants of the call can also comment underneath this, and you can assign an action as well. Assign this person, and you can click a link to the takeaway as well. Now, let's say we want to do something else. So we want to comment. So again, we can comment right here. Hello again. And that comment will go up underneath this. So this isn't a highlight section. We just commented again underneath it. Then again, action item we can add as we saw before. And you can copy this as well if you want to paste somewhere else and share it. And actually edit it again. So you can go in and actually continue, just add anything if it got any transcription incorrect. So sometimes these recording transcript tools won't always be perfect, and they may make some mistakes occasionally. So it's actually nice that Otter gives you the ability to go back and just edit things if they aren't quite up to standard. And you can add an image here as well. You allow it's actually a clipboard. Add an image if you want to. We'll just add a logo of ours right here. So again, you can just put that in, and if the image is relevant to whatever you're talking about, then that'll be great. That's perfect for you. So again, just seeing you have all the same features here, you know, and outline as well. Outline will be generated for longer meetings as well, as this was quite a quick conversation, so an outline of everything doesn't need to be made. Again, you can add notes to the text as well. So if students were listening and, you know, they were, you know, just trying to take all information, you can add notes here. Again, it's not a no, I just said hi. But again, you can see that you can do the same thing, and people can comment underneath that note as well. So let's say we're done with the save changes. So now what we can do with this, tools 2, we can actually export it or share it. So we can share it with groups. If you have someone's email, this is just my email right now, you can share it with them, restrict the link with anyone with a link. Then can export as well. Again, you know, you can go through the file format, the speaker names, takeaways, and the audio itself, and export that. And you can move this to your conversations. And this is where it gets interesting. So this is in your conversations, tools, option speaking. I should have named it something much better. It's just called notes right now. We'll have a different name, naturally, of course. So yeah, we have this here, and you can access it through your conversations again. So if you have anything you want to edit, you can go back right in here and just do the same things we did before. But it's interesting because it's now logged in everything you want in your conversations. And you can see some stuff I haven't actually made in the folder here. So this is quite a unique feature. Then you can look at things like shared with you. If someone sent you a personal voice message that should be transcripted, you'll find it here. You can look at apps as well. So the different apps that work for this: Google Calendar, Microsoft Calendar, Dropbox, and Zoom, because they're naturally meeting applications and, you know, interview FaceTiming applications. You have your profile here in general. You can look at that. Again, you can see all your planned meetings, or, you know, the settings for your meetings. Auto join on meetings, auto join calendars. So these are all general information that's quite useful. And notifications as well, if you want to control notifications of conversations, what's shared with you, highlights, comments, etc. Or here, quite simply, just turn them on or off, you know. Again, just on, off, through a click of the buttons right there, nothing complex. And you have security with two-factor authentication. Again, you can trash, you can see what's in your trash, any conversations you throw away. If you want to get them back, you can get through right there. And you can see groups as well. You can create a group of your own just here. Send a message you want to. So we have this group tools, and you see we have 2 right here. I made one earlier and made this one again. So tools, this group, you can do the same thing, record here, and essentially it'll be here only for this group. This could be good for a breakout room or some sort of a learning seminar event, you know, anything that's quite personal. And you can send a direct message to a recipient as well. So, you know, I just put in the Opulent Tools email, and then you record, and it'll send a message. So this is right here. It's just myself, so it seems counterintuitive. But again, I record, that voice will be sent, and it'll be the same thing as what I received, because someone would have done this to allow a file to be shared with me. And essentially, that's how you work Otter. It's quite an easy tool. Just record, and you can get different transcriptions sent to you according to the meetings and recordings you've had. Overall, Otter is very easy, very efficient to use. I can definitely recommend it. I didn't really struggle in figuring out how to do anything on the application, so that's quite a plus. Overall, I can definitely recommend it. Thank you for watching.